Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. So last week I posted a video on box dye. That was part one, here's part two. So I've been getting a lot of questions, emails, some stylists were upset that I'm actually saying box dye might be okay. However, I'm not saying you should do your own color at home. What I'm saying is, it is possible to achieve a pretty color at home with box dye. That's just honest. I'm not gonna lie to my clients. I don't think you should either. With that being said, that video really pertains to depositing color, being the same tone, covering some gray, or going darker a shade or two. That's it. When you start going down, or when you start bringing your color down like 4 or 5 shades, if you're really, really light naturally and you want to be really, really dark, well, you're gonna have to fill your color and it gets a little tricky. Same goes for if you're really dark and you want to go blonde. I suggest you don't try that at home with box dye or color you buy at the store, or even professional color you get from your friend or stylist you might know, or if you have access to professional hair color. It's not gonna give you the same result that you get in a salon. Here's why. So you have underlying pigment in your hair. So if you're naturally a level 4, this is a level 4, it's a darker brown, and you wanna lift yourself up or bring your color up to a level 8 or 9 blonde, here's what that color looks like. You're gonna have to pass through remaining pigment. So what's left in your hair at a level 8 or 9 is an orangey gold. That's why a lot of you ladies get hot roots. That's why your hair looks really brassy when you go from dark to blonde, because you want the color that's on the box, but you also aren't taking into consideration the remaining pigment in your hair. So if you want to be that neutral, pretty golden blonde, and you buy a pretty golden blonde, you also have the gold left over in your hair from lifting it up a couple shades, and then you have the gold in the hair color. So you get like a double whammy of gold pigment into that color, and that's why you look very orangey, brassy, yellow, golden. What you're gonna need to do is use an ashy blonde to counteract that remaining pigment in your hair so you still look like a warm blonde. You're not gonna cancel all that warmth out with box dye. It's not gonna happen. If you wanna be blonde and you wanna go up a couple levels, your best bet is to go to a hair salon and have a professional do it. So if you are gonna go lighter, there's a lot of things you need to know about remaining pigment. What strength of developer do you use? How many levels are you lifting? Do you have virgin hair? Do you have color treated hair? Because if you have color treated hair already and you have 4 inches of roots, and then you go to put box dye on your head to go blonder, the only thing that's gonna get blonder is that first 4 inches of hair. The rest of the hair is gonna pretty much remain almost that same color, if not get like a little wacky and look something really weird. So you're gonna have a really big band in your hair from where your virgin hair lifted, which is probably gonna look orange, and then you're gonna have some weird color, dark mid-shaft and ends. So, ladies and gentlemen, if that brought you any value, please like, subscribe, tag a friend in this video. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below. Box dye, honestly, if you're gonna use it at home, it's really meant for you to go tone on tone or cover some gray. If you're already blonde and you have the formula and you've been lifting your hair with box dye, it's working for you, awesome, keep on doing it. But if you have darker hair and you colored your hair darker and you wanna go blonder, I suggest you do not do that with box dye. Seek professional help. Once you get your formula figured out and you wanna try it yourself, be my guest. All right, so like I said, questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.